nigga, fuck that nigga, fuck that nigga, fuck that nigga.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I know everything looks real crazy right now, but try to turn it so y'all can see me better. Y'all, I look super crazy. Like, I just woke up, my hair looks crazy, my face looks crazy. But today we gonna be doing a little routine for y'all. Okay, you know, it's gonna be a little shower routine, something real quick, simple and easy. I haven't posted in a while, so I was just like, why not? So I'm gonna start off, this is real realistic, y'all. Like, I'm not even gonna do the most for real. I'm gonna start off, you know, washing my face, brushing my teeth, doing all that stuff. So yeah, y'all gonna see. Oh my god. So for some of y'all that follow me on Instagram and stuff, y'all don't be see, I feel like my subscribers, people who follow me, people who know me, I feel like y'all don't even be seeing me like this for real. Like, be for real. It's a rough day for a girl. Rough. Like I said, it's been rough. Oops. Didn't realize I was covering my camera. But like I said, it's been real rough. So basically, I'm up. I'm just gonna start my day, show y'all the products that I be using. I'm not gonna do the most. I don't know if I should show y'all products now or I'm in the shower, or it don't really matter. I'm gonna just show y'all when I'm in the shower, just to make things easier, I guess. Alright, so first I just run some hot water under my toothbrush for like 20 seconds or so, just to get rid of the germs and bacteria. And then I'm gonna put toothpaste, y'all. This is the brand of toothpaste that I use. It really don't matter. Use anything. You can see you do not need that much toothpaste to brush your teeth, y'all, okay? Don't mind these little stains, y'all. It's from makeup. I put my toothbrush in my back, and I've been trying everything, and the stains of the makeup literally will not come out in my toothbrush, so don't mind that. Glad I'm done brushing my teeth. I'm using Listerine. Do y'all know that Largo mouthwash I grew up using? I was gonna use that one, but I don't know. I'm so used to Listerine. I just use it. Hey y'all, this is the soap that I'm using to cleanse my body first. Y'all, this is my first time doing a voiceover, by the way, so bear with me. But it was super noisy in my background, so I just had to switch it over real fast for y'all. Alright, y'all, so I did speed up this clip a little bit, but as y'all can see, I'm just washing my body with that soap I just previously showed y'all. In the last clip, you know, scrubbing my areas real good, scrubbing my back and neck, getting every inch everywhere, because you know your body has to be clean, okay? Okay, so that's me scrubbing under my arms, making sure everything is real clean and nice and fresh, okay? Y'all, and I did use the same soap that I just showed y'all previously in that before clip, okay? So now this is my feminine hygiene product. I'll use, that's the only product that I use down there, okay? Don't put it inside, just use it around the outside. That's the same soap that I was telling y'all about that I was using. Alright, so now I'm using a pink beauty bar, and this one is by Dove, and this one is for sensitive skin. It doesn't really have a smell. Y'all, I got this scrub from Target, and it smells so good. So then that's just me smelling everything good. Yo, when I tell you this scrub is so good, it smells so good. I love everything about this scrub. Y'all, is it just me, or does everybody smell what they use before they put it on their body. By the way, if y'all wondering what I'm putting on my face, it's a Cetaphil moisturizing cream. So you already know this is just me moisturizing my skin. Y'all, I really don't know what to say. I really don't do voiceovers. So this whole voiceover thing is kind of new for me because I wasn't talking while I was doing the video. So yeah. And this is the outfit that I wanted to wear for the day. Okay, so seconds before showing y'all this clip, the cap to my perfume broke. So I have to go to win with the alternative and use this one. I don't really like this one, but that's all I had, so I just used it. Okay, bye guys. Love you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.